Yeah, g'day YouTube, Bree here. Yesterday I had a operation through my throat. They pushed my voice box across and they grind all the bad section of my neck, L, oh, not L, what do they call it? C, C6 and C7 was bad, so they had to grind that and take all the spurs off the bone, remove some cartilage, put new cartilage in. I've got black texture marks to get the middle of me neck. But yeah, I had pins and needles in this hand for months and months and months, and they're perfectly fine at the moment. I woke up out of recovery and I could feel my hands, which is quite amazing. It's pretty daunting going in for neck surgery, but I had the best surgeon, so I thought I'd touch base with you guys and let you know that everything's fine. This side's a little bit howdy doody. It goes down halfway down my arm, but I think it's just from where they had drips and stuff in. It's just after 4 o'clock in the morning. I can't sleep. They just keep giving me painkillers, and I'm happy now because they've just given me a coffee and some biscuits. But yeah, I just want to touch base and let you know that everything's okay, and I should be back at it in a couple of days. So, but anyway, you take it easy, stay safe, and I'll see you again soon. You'll see me again soon. Take it easy. Bye.